Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you how to replace the battery in your Philips SpeedPro Max XC8147 vacuum cleaner. Let's get started. First, remove the dust container. Use a Philips head PH1 screwdriver to loosen the battery screw. Remove the old battery and replace it with the Sino CS-PHC682VX Battery. Fasten the battery screw. And put the dust container back in place. That's all for our tutorial. Thank you for watching.